Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. This is the short post-build review. I did a long-form build from scratch video and review. The link will be in the description and also where to find this model. This is the Brino AC by Nifeliz. Nifeliz? I don't know. We'll say Nifeliz. One of the standout features of the Brino by Nifeliz is its impressive size, standing almost 10 inches or 24 centimeters tall. It was made from 651 Lego type pieces, including a couple of types that I've never used or seen before. The coloring is great and makes it stand out. It really does look a lot like a mobile suit from Gundam or other Gunpla-like franchises. Nifeliz makes 3 other mobile suits, and I'm excited to see them all staying together here one of these days when I build them all. The anatomical joints are remarkably stiff, which is a good thing, and the mecha would be readily posable if it weren't for the loose fit of some of the blocks. The instructions were printed on thick, glossy paper and complemented the build nicely. I didn't like a few things. Several brick types do not go together firmly, so they constantly come apart, especially when you're trying to pose the mobile suit. The bags aren't labeled or with numbering. It took a little longer to build as you have to sort all the parts and then sort through them all over again as you put them all together. There are no spare parts, so don't drop or lose anything while you're putting this together. Is it superposable? I would say no. As an example, as you try and pose it, the gun comes apart repeatedly at the handle. However, there are a lot of adjustable parts like thrusters and missile pods that are well attached and posed nicely. Some parts snap together very firmly while others were very loosey-goosey. The instructions, while clear and printed in a nicely bound and on thick paper stock, employ very faded or subdued coloring, make it a little difficult to interpret between the colors at sometimes. Would I do it again? Absolutely. In fact, I have 2 others to build and 1 more on the way to complete the collection. The model looks great and is a large build. The instructions were pretty clear, and I feel for about $25 you get a lot of bang for your buck. As an aside, at the end of the instruction book, Nifeliz offers to possibly send you a free product if you post on your social media what you thought about the build. Did you build one? What did you think? Put your comments below. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of August. Please consider supporting me on Patreon so I can review more stuff. The link is in the description.